Do you want to know how you can log into your NSDL Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your NSDL Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome OS browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for NSDL Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and click on it, and you can click on the first or the second link which appears, or the third one. As you click on the third link, this login portal will pop up. Go ahead and write down your username, click continue, and write down your password. Make sure your password is correct, and after that go ahead and click continue. This way you can successfully log into your NSDL Mutual Fund account. Let me show it to you once again. Go search for NSDL Mutual Fund login, click on this link which is the third one. It will lead you to this page where you can write down your username, click continue, write down your password, and after you write down your password, go ahead and click continue. This way you can successfully log into your NSDL Mutual Fund account. I hope this video about how you can log into your mutual fund account in NSDL was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.